Hi, I'm so excited to be at local Health Integrative with Dr. Robyn.
Hi, thanks to have you here.
This is going to be our space. We're going to have the You Are the Healer workshop. Dr. Robyn is the clinic creator, director, CEO, and head naturopath. I'm sure other hats that she's wearing. It reminds me of my time when I had my own clinic. So taking a tour here at a beautiful space brings back a lot of memories. And I wish you a lot of luck.
Thank you.
And tremendous work and effort that you're putting in here for the community. And those in my community, please come and visit her and her team at Local Health Integrative on Clark.
And 7th, yeah.
What would you like to say about the clinic?
Yeah, the clinic, we really just see it as a hub for the community to come together, and we're so happy to have the You Are the Healer workshop coming in, and really any of the things that can help us come together and empower and educate people on really being their own healers and their own healthcare providers, and we've got a great team here to help people along in that journey. So.
Yes, I'm really loving the space here. It's going to be quite a cocoon that we're going to create on April 1st from 1 to 6 p.m. There's still a few spots left. It's going to be tools that you can use right away for anxiety, panic attacks, chronic pain, insomnia, chronic fatigue, you name it, chronic digestive problems, visceral pain, alignment issues. So yeah, those are tools that I teach when people come and work with me one-on-one. And I've taught them in groups, and I call it You Are the Healer because I always say nothing ever heals until the person himself takes responsibility, accountability, and has some powerful tools to help them in their own process.
Absolutely.
Right?
Yeah.
Good. Well, yeah, so visit Local Health Integrative on their website, and I look forward to seeing you in this beautiful space. And I promise you we're going to have a nice sunny day. Okay, see you soon. Bye.